How to change the language in Khan Academy. If you have been using the Khan Academy application and wondering on how to change language on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to change the language, here you can find the settings option at the top. Select it. Then here you can find language and region, just right here. Tap on it. Now from here you can simply change the language. Now tap onto one just like this. Now tap onto language right here, and from here you can simply change the language. And that's it. This is how you can change the language in the Khan Academy. It is a very easy process, right? Now do the process to simply change the language of the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.